Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad.
Interesting. You've got two mics connected. It's very nice. Walking to Karbala, from Najaf to Karbala. Walking to Karbala, from Najaf to Karbala. I'll give my life and soul just to get to Karbala. Let's go, brother, to the land of Aba Abdullah. Go and pack your bags, let's reach the land of Karbala. We cannot be late, we must go and catch our flight. Soon we'll be under the dome of Karbala's great night. This is Arba'in, let's go do the Arba'in. This is Arba'in, let's go do the Arba'in of our Imam Hussein. Let's perform the Arba'in. Walking to Karbala, from Najaf to Karbala. Walking to Karbala, from Najaf to Karbala. I'll give my life and soul just to get to Karbala. Come and let us visit our first beloved Imam. Do ask him for our safety through the path of Islam. The start of our journey we walk past Wadi Salam. This is the biggest graveyard in the whole of mankind. Walk, walk, brother, walk. Don't get tired, you can walk. Walk, walk, brother, walk. Don't get tired, you can walk. The angels do record, and God will give us reward. Walking to Karbala, from Najaf to Karbala. Walking to Karbala, from Najaf to Karbala. I'll give my life and soul just to get to Karbala. Look at all of these servants of Imam al-Hussein, giving water to the walkers of he who was slain. In the whole world this is the most generous event. People like to stay with them so that we can lament. Thank you, oh Allah, for this blessing, oh Allah. Thank you, oh Allah, for this blessing, oh Allah. For my heart to be near, so close to our Amir. Walking to Karbala, Najaf to Karbala. Walking to Karbala, from Najaf to Karbala. I'll give my life and soul just to get to Karbala. Did you know every step we take gives us big blessings? 1,000 deeds we get and 1,000 remove sins. We have now reached the blessed land of our third leader. We ended in the land of heaven of our teacher. Labbaik ya Hussein, I am here for you, Hussein. Labbaik ya Hussein, I am here for you, Hussein. Every year, inshallah, I'll come walking to Hussein. Walking to Karbala, from Najaf to Karbala. Walking to Karbala, from Najaf to Karbala. I'll give my life and soul just to get to Karbala. Sallu ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad.
Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad.
So inshallah we've gathered some different lessons from this NOHAY, which involves different kinds of aspects of Islam, from learning, teaching, akhlaq, mantiq, of course, going to the ziyarah itself of Imam Hussein alayhi salam. And hopefully this will encourage you all, if you've not been, especially you guys who have not been, to go, or to encourage your parents to take you. And of course this experience is a life-changing process. Remember, whenever you go ziyarah, there's two types of people: one who goes and learns nothing, and one who makes it a life-changing process. It's up to you. No one's going to tell you to change your life. You have to do it yourself, and make the ziyarah process of Imam Hussein a way for you to change and become a better Muslim. وآخر دعوانا والحمد لله رب العالمين وصلى على محمد وآل بيته الطيبين الطاهرين.
اللهم صل على محمد وآل